Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Akanksha, good afternoon.
I'll share the screen, ma'am.
Yes, start your presentation.
I was interning in an organization called App Avengers. It was 1 month internship, and I was in a graphic design intern. This is my offer letter, and this is the certificate I got after the completion of the. The main task given to me was redesigning the logo and the website of App Avengers. So first, I did the research of App Avengers website, their brand identity, and then I did the whole brainstorming process for the logo design. Then then this is the brainstorming I did. I just brainstormed some words along the logo, the name of the brand. I came up with these words. Then I searched for various uh, uh, logo ideas for that. Then I did some rough sketches for the logos.
Quite a number of logos you have done.
Yes, ma'am. The idea was to keep it simple, but I also tried to take Avengers as a theme also. So I did these of that sort of Avengers theme. Then I did some color roughs also in Illustrator. Then these were the main logos which he took. So I just gave like through 5 6 color roughs for each logo. So how a color should you know uh, be on the logo and the website. He wanted the website and the logo for the same color. So I thought these colors. Finally, I this was my final logo which he took for the website, and this was a color scheme. Then the final website design, I had to do 11 frames for screens for the website design. The landing page about us. These were the services: the blockchain development, mobile development, web development, and UI UX, and the portfolio and the contact us page. This is the landing page. He gave me quite 3 to 4 websites of the same uh, John, like the App Avengers related websites.
Genre or
Yeah,
domain. Yeah.
yeah, domain, yeah. So I researched about that and just came up with these informations, and then I put it up. Then about us page. This is the blockchain development. The illustrations were taken, like I had taken from the illustration websites. So he told me that don't do the illustrations, you can take it. So I just edited it with the color scheme.
Okay.
This is the portfolio website, this page, and this is the contact us. Yeah, this is the. Actually, I did a freelance project also. I did a logo, and it was published in Nero magazine. shop on
So
the
you can
banner.
still show that. You can
Yeah.
also show that. Please share.
So this was the logo I created, 12 se 12 casual dining, and it was published on the shop, and I was very like my
Proud
work is
moment.
shown.
Hmm.
Yeah, that was
Okay, where it is?
in
Where?
Nerul.
Nerul. Okay,
Yeah.
great, great. So anything else that you did apart from the logo, the facade or
No,
anything?
no,
Okay,
actually I
okay.
was doing it, but then the internship also was going on, so I just this was before
Okay.
the internship. I got the internship, so
Okay, okay,
yeah,
great, great.
yeah.
Acha. So how was your entire experience of internship and what are your main learnings out of it?
I think the main starting of the internship was very exciting. Like he was giving me ideas. He was giving me this like for the logo also. He was very like do this, do that, and I was very interested in that, like doing logos. Like even in college also we don't do that much logo, like rough sketches. But that time, yeah, I thought we should do this. That you know the logo will improve eventually. So
So
I learned
it is
that.
said, the practice makes man perfect. So
Yeah. So I
you
learned
learned
that.
it better.
Yes. Yes. So after like the website design, I was not in that um, mindset. I was like just doing it for just doing the sake of doing it, because it was so tough on me, because the I told you that that was going on. But then also
Yeah.
when the logo was published, I was like very happy, like it's okay, it's done.
Okay, okay. No problem, Akanksha. Okay, anything else apart from this you want to share?
No, ma'am, that's it.
Okay, so you can end your present. Yeah, yeah. Say something, you're saying something.
Uh, about the attendance, actually, I want to say.
Okay, yes.
If I say,
Yeah, yeah, you can.
so actually my attendance is now 75.49. So
Mhm.
in theory it is 80% and the practical is 78. So there
Mhm.
is a problem in communication, because like after three lectures, like the last lecture was on 6th September, but it is showing that 14, 15, 17 you have missed, like it is absent. So because of that the percentage has gone down.
Okay, but that won't affect you much. I
Okay.
don't think. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.